Hi friends! I'm so excited to show you this. This is a smart pet feeder. Comes in this box, and as you can see, the size is perfect. You can open it right here and have this bottom, so you can push and take off the container. Have two sides, left and right, and you can put two types of food for your pet here, and you can use this to see the level of food that are in the container. So you put it here again, you can put the tap, and here you can put something to keep fresh the food for your pets. And comes with this plate, and you can use the plastic pack that have more space, or comes with this metal part too that you can put here, and you put it there. This feeder can be used two ways. That one of these ways is directly in the electric energy with this charger type USB, and you can use their battery. Anyway, it's okay, and functions are perfect with both. So you have to use app. This app is so easy to install and so easy to use. We have the app here, and you can choose the times you wanna feed your pets with the left or the right container. So we're gonna push feed now. You select the portions that you want to give, 1, 2, 3, or so many. That the left side or the right side. In this app, you can make a plan for the alimentations of your pets, and you can have a record for the times you feed your pets or the portions, and you can see how you feed your pets in all this record right here. So I highly recommend this. It's practical, it's perfect, and it's beautiful. And the best part is that the box of the feeder is designed to become a toy for your cats. See this? You only have to make little cords here and here, and ready, your cats have a new house or play. So I highly recommend it. See you.